Hi everybody and welcome to a new video by Happy Place Creations. Today I am going to unbox my new label maker. I just got this in from Temu and I thought we could do this together. Just showing you some of the... And this is Polono and it's a P31 label maker. I'm sorry, my camera's autofocusing today. So let's see what we have. We have a strap, and we have the unit. Let's get it open. I'm hoping it came with some strips. If not, I'm going to have to order some. Charging cord. Whoops. It does come with one roll. Starter roll. I guess I'm going to have to look up where to get some more. Just rolling my roll back up where it just fell out. Well, that pushes in pretty easy. And I guess I'm going to have to charge it before we can try it. Comes with a very detailed instruction booklet. And a user's manual. And this is Bluetooth compatible, so I can use it right off my phone or my desktop, which is what I use to record you guys on. Or my videos on, I should say. I'm sorry for that. So I am going to get this all hooked up, get it charging, and then I will be back for a demonstration. Okay, I am back. I have it all loaded on my phone. It's all charged up and ready to print a label. I have my label all loaded and ready to print. You have many options in the bottom here. Going the wrong way. We have all these options to choose from. I do recommend that you go by your startup guide, as the programming is a little bit tricky, but it's well worth it. I've already printed one label, but I'm going to print another one with you. So you put in all the information you want, load your picture, you can resize everything to your label, put in any words that you want, and then you can press print. It's going to ask you to confirm. Press print, and here it comes. That easy. And this little button on the top is not technically a button, it's a knife to cut your label. And there's our label. Just peel it off and stick it to wherever we want it to be. It does print in black and white. It shows color on your screen, like so, but your label does print black and white. So I'm hoping that this little tutorial will help you should you buy this label maker from Temu. I will try to add the link in the description. It didn't cost me very much money, probably $15, but I plan to use it a lot. You all have a great day, and I thank you for joining me today for this video, and I hope everybody is happy and healthy. I hope your crafts come out amazing. Please check out my eBay store. The link is in the description. Have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video.